Yeah. Free BOOO, nigga.
True that, you making noise, man. He went to pussy so bad, said he love me, I know that he lying to me. Nigga keep spying on me, watching me like the news, always keeping an eye out on me. Bitches is dying to be in my shoes, and that is the reason they hating. I wanna leave when I'm ready, so I got a driver outside in the parking lot waiting. This nigga always complaining, I just called the driver, he got me for 80 hours. Get loud with me, I get louder. I don't want to beef with no bitch, I'm just trying to empower. I am just trying to uplift these bitches as jobbers, they got too much time on their hands. Bitches be hating in places they pay me to be. How is you mad from the stands? I need the cash in my hand and it is not enough if it isn't rap with rubber band. I'm from Atlanta, we not even asking strand, cause niggas just making shit up. Not ducking smoke, got no problem with lining it up, but it ain't no rules when I hit. Hit blocking out, crashing out on the spot by the bitch. Boy, you is going out bad. I'm on the net getting dragged.